One night in Indonesia's most tolerant city, Chinese New Year meets Ramadan in Singkawang. You won't believe what's happening in this Indonesian city tonight. Chinese New Year and Ramadan on the same street. This might be the most tolerant city in the world. Forget Bali. This is the real Indonesia. Lanterns above, Ramadan prayers tomorrow, only in Singkawang. Aussies, you need to see this. America, this is diversity done, right? Europe, this city will surprise you. One night here changed my perspective forever. Stay till the end. It gets even more beautiful. GJ Legends, wherever you're watching from tonight, whether you're tuning in from Sydney, Melbourne, Perth, Los Angeles, New York, Toronto, Vancouver, Amsterdam, Rotterdam, or somewhere else across Europe, welcome to something truly special. Tonight isn't just another travel vlog. It's not just another night walk. What you're about to see is something incredibly rare in today's world. A city where cultures don't just tolerate each other, they celebrate together. Right now, I'm standing in Singkawang, a city in West Kalimantan, on the island of Borneo, Indonesia. Many of you might know Bali, some of you might know Jakarta, but hardly anyone outside Southeast Asia talks about this place, and honestly, that's what makes it even more extraordinary, because tonight, something magical is happening. It's the second day of Chinese New Year. The streets are glowing red and gold. Lanterns stretch across the roads like rivers of light. Families are gathering, kids are running around with excitement. The smell of street food fills the night air. Temples shimmer beneath the sky. But here's the part that will truly surprise you. Tomorrow, Muslims here will begin preparing for the holy month of Ramadan. And in this very moment, both celebrations exist side by side. No tension, no division, no conflict, just harmony. As we walk through the city tonight, you'll see something powerful. Chinese New Year decorations hanging above streets that will soon echo with the spiritual rhythm of Ramadan. Shops decorated with lanterns are also preparing dates and traditional foods for fasting month. Families from different backgrounds are smiling, chatting, and sharing space. This isn't staged. This isn't scripted. This is real life in Singkawang. For those of you watching from Australia, imagine Christmas lights still glowing while another major cultural celebration begins the very next day, and everyone supports one another. For those watching from America or Canada, imagine communities from completely different faiths celebrating peacefully on the same street at the same time. For those in the Netherlands and across Europe, imagine centuries of heritage blending together naturally without friction. That's what you're about to witness. Singkawang is often called the most tolerant city in Indonesia. Some even say it's one of the most culturally harmonious cities in the world. It has a strong Chinese heritage, vibrant Dayak traditions, and a deeply rooted Malay Muslim community. Instead of competing identities, what you see here is cooperation. And tonight, we're going deep. We're walking through the heart of the city. We'll explore the lantern-lit streets. We'll visit temples glowing against the dark sky. We'll pass mosques preparing for Ramadan. We'll listen to the sounds of celebration, the laughter, the music, the life. This isn't just tourism content. This is a reminder that the world can still surprise us. A reminder that unity isn't just an idea, it can be reality. A reminder that sometimes the most beautiful places are the ones nobody's talking about yet. If you're new to the channel, my name is Reza, and this is Reza Singkawang. Here, we explore the real Indonesia, beyond the mainstream travel brochures. We show the streets, the people, the culture, the atmosphere. No filters, just authentic experiences. And tonight might be one of the most special journeys we've ever filmed. Look around for a moment. See the lanterns above us, that red glow lighting up the night. Hear the chatter in the background. That's the sound of celebration. Now imagine that tomorrow before sunrise, many people here will wake up early to begin preparing for fasting. Different traditions, same streets, same city, same respect. That's powerful. For my viewers in Australia, the US, Canada, and across Europe, I want you to watch closely tonight. Not just with your eyes, but with your heart. Because what you're about to see isn't just beautiful, it's meaningful. Singkawang isn't perfect. No city is, but tonight it represents something hopeful. And the best part, we're just getting started. As the night goes on, the lights become brighter. The streets become busier. The atmosphere becomes even more alive. We'll dive deeper into the cultural mix that makes this place so unique. We'll experience the energy, the calmness, and the unity that defines this city. So grab a cup of tea, a coffee, or maybe it's morning where you are. Settle in, relax, and come walk with me through one of Southeast Asia's most underrated gems. Trust me, by the end of this video, you might just see Indonesia in a completely different way. Let's explore Singkawang together. Tonight, we're stepping into something truly rare, a city where cultures don't just coexist, they genuinely celebrate one another. Welcome to Singkawang, often called the most tolerant city in Indonesia and arguably one of the most culturally vibrant cities in the world. It's the second day of Chinese New Year. Lanterns glow red and gold across the streets, temples shimmer under the night sky, and families gather in celebration. But here's what makes tonight extraordinary. Tomorrow, Muslims begin preparing for the holy month of Ramadan. And in Singkawang, both worlds are alive at the very same time. As we walk through the heart of the city, you'll see decorations that blend beautifully, Chinese lanterns hanging above streets that will soon echo with Ramadan prayers. Shops are alive, night markets are buzzing, and the air carries a mix of incense, street food smoke, and anticipation. Singkawang is located in West Kalimantan, on the island of Borneo. It's known for its strong Chinese heritage, vibrant Dayak culture, and harmonious Malay community. This isn't just tourism. This is living proof that diversity can be powerful, peaceful, and incredibly beautiful. Tonight's journey is long and special. We'll explore the iconic streets, visit temples glowing under the night sky, and witness how locals prepare for Ramadan while still celebrating Imlek. It's emotional, it's colorful, and it's something you rarely see anywhere else in the world. If you're watching from Australia, the US, Canada, the Netherlands, or anywhere across Europe, this is Indonesia beyond Bali. This is culture, unity, and humanity in real time. So grab a cuppa, settle in, and let's explore one of Southeast Asia's most underrated gems together. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. What a night. If you've stayed with me until this moment, you've just witnessed something incredibly special. Not just lights, not just festivals, but something deeper, coexistence, respect, and shared space in a world that often forgets how powerful that can be. Tonight in Singkawang, we saw lanterns glowing for Chinese New Year while the spirit of Ramadan quietly approached. To major cultural moments, side by side without tension, just harmony. For those watching from Australia, America, Canada, the Netherlands, and across Europe, this is Indonesia beyond the headlines, beyond the stereotypes, beyond the tourist hotspots. This is real life here, and if this video surprised you, inspired you, or even just made you feel a little hopeful, that means the story reached you. Singkawang may not be the biggest city in the world. It may not be the most famous. But sometimes the most meaningful places are the ones you've never heard about before. If you enjoyed walking these streets with me tonight, make sure you hit that like button. It genuinely helps this story reach more people around the world. drop a comment and tell me where you're watching from. I'd love to know if we've got viewers from Sydney, New York, Toronto, Amsterdam, or anywhere else across the globe. And if you want to see more real, authentic journeys through Indonesia, subscribe to Reza Singkawang and join this growing international community, because this is just the beginning. There are more stories to tell, more cities to explore, more cultural moments to experience together. Until next time, stay curious, stay respectful, and never stop exploring. Cheers, legends!